Many spacecraft have been sent into space in human history, but the milestone achieved by Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 is unique in itself. As you must be aware that Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft have crossed our solar system and entered outer space. In this video, we will try to know that if any Voyager spacecraft ever reaches Proxima b, will we be able to receive radio signals from there? Most of you will be familiar with the fact that Proxima b is an exoplanet orbiting Proxima Centauri, a dwarf star closest to our solar system, which is located about 4.2 light-years away from our solar system. Here we will not talk about when the Voyager spacecraft will be able to reach Proxima Centauri or how it will be able to reach. We will focus only on the fact that if Voyager ever reaches Proxima b in future, will we be able to get information about it by receiving radio signals from there? If we measure it in kilometers, then this distance becomes about 40 trillion kilometers. After being launched from Earth, till now Voyager 1 has reached only about 23 billion kilometers. And as of now, it is very difficult to receive signals from Voyager 1 on. Researchers say they have detected a radio signal from the most distant galaxy ever detected. This signal, which has a specific wavelength, is helping to answer questions about the early universe. Researchers from McGill University and the Indian Institute of Science studied the signal and found that it was emitted when the universe was 4.9 billion years old. The telescope was able to pick up this distant signal because it was bent by another galaxy, located between the telescope and the radio signal. This resulted in the signal becoming up to 30 times stronger, enabling the telescope to receive it on the Earth. We also call this gravitational lensing. Some would think that this means that we can very easily receive radio signals from only 4 light-years away. But this is not true. The radio signals we received were very powerful and they were emanating from a huge galaxy, which was a rare but natural phenomenon. But sending a radio signal from a spacecraft is not a natural phenomenon, so energy is required to send a radio signal. As far away as the Voyager spacecraft are now, it only takes a few watts of power to send or receive a radio signal. But receiving a radio signal from about 40 trillion kilometers would require 6 million times more power than Voyager's current capability, which appears impossible with current technology. But earlier we did not even imagine about the technology that we have today. That's why it is expected that such technology will definitely be developed in future and we will be able to know about some other world. There must be alien civilizations in our galaxy and outside it that are technologically far ahead of us and capable of sending and receiving such radio signals.